kabila ng kontrobersya, tila mababata ang kalungkutan sa mukha ni Ian De Leon sa gitna ng kanyang pagtanggap sa isa nga pong award para sa kanyang ina na si Nora Honor. Mula kay Fernando N. Madriaga Fupos, ilang larawan ng mag-amang Ian De Leon at Jayden De Leon kasama ang founder ng World Class Excellence Japan, si Ms. Emma Cordero, ang pagtanggap ni Ian sa Posthumous Award para sa ating superstar at national artist Ms. Nora Honor. Congratulations, Ate Guy, hindi ka talaga malilimutan ng sambayanang Pilipino. Narito nga ang sinasabi ng post kung saan kasama ni Ian De Leon ang kanyang panganay na anak na si Jayden sa nasabi nga pong pagtanggap ng award. Sa comment section, ilan sa mababasa natin ay Family Matters Ian and Lotlot, it should be discussed about party privately. Sumagot naman ang may-ari ng post, oo nga po. Sinang isa kung patuloy ang ngaw-ngaw at kuda ng dalawang ingrata sa social media, malabong magkaayos sila. Saludo ako, Kiko at Ken, hindi nakisawsaw sa usapin pero itong dalawang mahadera, sobrang stat sa mama. Samantala, hindi na nga maintindihan kung sino nga ba kay na Lotlot De Leon at Ian De Leon ang nagsisinungaling. Update mula sa The Philippine Entertainment News, Ian De Leon sinagot na ang mga naging pahayag ni Lotlot De Leon at nagbigay pa ng screenshot ng Zoom meeting nila Matet at Kiko. Pahayag nga ni Ian, after mom died, nagmamadali kayong magtayo ng foundation kasi baka maunahan kayo ng iba. You think SEC will approve random people to put up a foundation using mom's name? That time I said I'm not ready to commit dahil gusto kong ayusin muna nila yung legal papers niyan. I know the plans and my suggestion to them is that fix the legalities first before launching it. Days and days after launching, I was monitoring their SEC registration but still not yet up. The staff of a significant figure even informed us that they donated and may nilapitan pa silang isang malaking tao. Also, the office informed us but they hesitated to donate, which made me post a statement to protect my family in case of legal problems. Gusto niya akong i-entrap during one event to sign something without telling right away what our dinner is all about. That's why pala you have your lawyers with you. Thankfully, this person asked for dinner that I can't decline. The project plans for the legacy are the first to come before fixing any legalities and was still a concept at the time. Now, there are issues, but the planning are still ongoing. I cannot just do what I'm doing just because of the issues and why I'm going to include a person who refuses to cooperate. He never told us anything, so wala na yung Zoom meeting na 2 beses sila umattend. Wala na din yung during 40 days na na-decline ka. At sinungaling din ba si Tita T na tinawagan ko to join us pero sabi mo, no na kasi may work ka pa naman at inuna kasi akong kinausap. Why is it because it was me? Why? Who put down the siblings? Did you even watch the whole show before reacting? Kayo lang ba ang pwedeng magpa-interview? I don't go out just like that. It's for Father's Day episode. Enough with the lies. You stop telling lies, especially to my dad. Tinuring mo akong kapatid, tinuring kitang parang totoong kapatid, and I still call you ate. Sa akin na lahat, after the state funeral, when 5 of us are talking, I was clear that told you guys na tulong-tulong tayong 5 dito at maging transparent sa isa't isa and everything will take time and everything will divided equally. Pero ang palabas is madamot ako. Why? Sino ang may inaagaw? I didn't say na may inaagaw kayo. Why say that? To put me down. Kailan kaya matatapos? At sana nga daw ay magkaayos pa ang magkakapatid. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Show